Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our video channel on YouTube, where we show you the china in some detail that's being listed on our website. Now, these sets I absolutely adore. They're Royal Crown Derby, date from well in the middle of the 20th century, 1954 and 1955 on these china marks, and the design is a historic Royal Crown Derby pattern called Wilmot, which is this beautiful oldie world floral design. It's almost a mug. This is a breakfast cup, large size, slightly curved, but almost straight walled sides. No pedestal on the base, just a flat base with, as you can see, a really nicely marked Royal Crown Derby Ormston Road mark. And then just look at that handle detail. Isn't that gorgeous? The gilt looks like it's just been put on. Beautiful square handle, plain rim with, again, just a line of gilt. Translucent bone china. I don't know whether you can see the shadows from my hands moving over this porcelain, but it just is beautiful and so bright. Such a shine on this glaze. I don't think they've ever been washed particularly or used. There's no sign of any damage on condition wise. They are in perfect condition. And I love this little saucer, deep sided. Just look at that. You could eat your cereal out of that. It's so deep. Straight walled, plain rim, central recessed cup holder on the middle, and again matching Ormston Road Royal Crown Derby marks. Lovely little bit of gentle patina just on the base of that one. It's a gorgeous thing and quite substantial. And this is the little side plate that was with the set. Plain rim with gilt, again beautifully decorated. Just look at the moss and butterflies in this design. Recurring round, beautiful, and then this rolling serpent-like line in the cobalt blue pattern on the rim. Absolutely gorgeous, and again a matching mark. These sets are in incredible condition. 1954 and 1955 china marks on all of them, and absolutely wonderful. I'm sure they're going to prove very popular. We've got 4 of these trios available, all in the same condition. There is a matching little oval milk jug and a couple of spare side plates that are going to be listed on the website, so do have a look out for those if you're wanting to put a collection together. You will absolutely love this real quality bone china from 1950s Royal Crown Derby Wilmot. Thanks for watching.